Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shiko Richard, and today guys I'm here with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make ugali with microwave. As you can see, but before we start guys, kindly hit that subscribe button, and after watching this video don't forget to like, comment and share. So we have our water here. First of all, we have to boil our water with this kettle, and then we have our microwave here, and then our bowl and our cooking flour, and of course the cooking stick. So first of all, we will have to boil our water. Okay, so I don't know what's wrong with this kettle. So as the water boils, we measure our cooking flour. So I'll measure up to here. Or yes, or this is small. I think I will add like that. So we wait for our water to boil and then we continue. Alright. So our water is ready, as you can see. Now we'll have to add the water here, and then we mix until ikuwe ugali. Yeah, you all understand, yeah? So the water is too hot. I have to be careful. So first of all, you add kiasi, a bit by bit. You mix your flour with your hot water mpaka ikuwe ugali, yani mpaka ishikane. Imagine hii unapika tu ugali kama tu vile unapika kwa sufuria. Vile tu unapika kwa sufuria ndio the same we are doing here. There is no that big difference. Yeah, I think nimeweka unga mingi jameni. So you have to change our position. Yes, fanya hivyo. This is much better and easier. Sorry for being messy. Oh my god. Don't mind that. So as we continue guys, what else do you want me to show you? This microwave can cook a lot of things, and you may have unaweza kuwa umeishiwa a gas, maybe kuna haraka ya kupika. You know, this is an option. Maybe you are tired from work, you can come and do it with just a microwave. Imagine, hakuna kuchoka. Kuchoka yenye iko ni hii kukoroga peke yake, lakini ukishashikana ni Don't know whether you're seeing what I'm doing, guys, but yeah, inakuja na ni moto, sisahau ni moto, but tunavumilia tu. I'll have to do this. I have to do this, guys. So and our ugali is okay now. Ndio hivi juu haijaiva. So guys, I had to change my position. I don't know whether you're seeing it. So we continue. We microwave our ugali. So we set 7 minutes. 7 minutes, and then I have to put it on there. So I wanted to show you while setting the 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, it will be ready. Yeah. So let me switch it on. So now let's switch on. It's rolling. So we wait for that 7 minutes, and then after that we come back and see whether it's ready. But it will be ready. 7 minutes na uko na ugali yako, ukule, ushibe na mambo iendelee. So let's wait for 7 minutes. So guys, our ugali is ready. Now we can do the necessary. So I know it's too hot, so I'll have to use this one. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. It's ready. So now because it's ready, take when serving, you just take your spoon. Look at it. Just like that. And your ugali is ready, guys. Yeah, so there we have our ugali, guys, as you can see. Yeah, and that was it for today. So next time I'll show you something else. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Sorry for that. And I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye bye.